This is the life, isn't it?
You said it, bro. There's no other way. I'd rather spend the 4th of July than with all of you.
Yeah, this is one family tradition I hope we never stop doing.
Daddy?
Yes, honey.
When are the fireworks starting?
At 9 o'clock. That's just a few minutes away.
I thought you didn't like the fireworks, sweetheart, because they're too loud.
But they're so pretty.
This reminds me of when my parents used to take Janie and I to the park near our house when we were kids, to see the big fireworks show. Lot of fun times, I'll bet.
Look, they're starting.
Yes, look at that. Nice, isn't it, honey?
Whoa, that one was loud.
This always reminds me of the summer after our sophomore year. July 4th, 1990. Remember?
How could I forget? We were watching the fireworks display in this very same park. And if I recall, it was almost on this very same spot.
Yes. And what else do you remember?
It was the night that I asked you to be my girlfriend.
That's right. And it was also the night we kissed for the first time.
And I certainly haven't forgotten that. So what do you say we continue that little tradition?
I thought you would never ask. I love you.
I love you too.
Isn't that beautiful, Howard?
It sure is. They really went all out with the fireworks show this year.
Yeah, the fireworks are nice, but I was talking about Steven and Jennifer.
Of course. The 4th of July is a really special day for them. On this day 24 years ago, they officially became boyfriend and girlfriend.
Wow, 24 years. And after so long, they're still as happy and loving as ever. Honey, do you think after you and I are married, that we'll have that too?
We have that right now, Allison, and we always will. Now, give me some sugar.
That's my silly guy.
So, you are not interested in seeing the fireworks anymore?
Actually, I think your mom and dad, Uncle Howard and Allison all have the right idea.
What do you mean?
Let me show you what I mean.
Whoa, I see fireworks. And I don't mean the ones up in the sky behind me.
Yeah, icky.
You said it, Ivy. So much ickiness going on here right now. And I'm not saying that because I'm totally jealous.
Oh, don't worry, Sally. I'm sure there's some guy out there who's just waiting to sweep you off your feet.
How about we just enjoy the fireworks?
Fair enough.